associated with drugs, they want people to change.
Of course.
And it made to appear that people are, if you're associated with drugs, being killed immediately. But that's what you read in the international newspaper or any other news media outlet. But what actually happens is that Duterte was given a mandate of the people to help clean the drug problem in the Philippines.
To help clean the drug problem.
Yeah,
yes.
the drug problem is actually destroying the society, killing the families. That is because the perception you have now is that the drugs, once you're part of drugs, that you're known. That is it.
No, but he was quite straight. If you deal in drugs, I pick you up, etc.
That is a hyperbole, a statement.
A statement.
Yeah, that is his language of speaking to make people be afraid of dealing with it. But these cases that he's filed now are actually not part of within his presidency.
Oh, okay.
So that's the problem. That's how we see. Because if this is extrajudicial killing or state-sponsored, there should be a pattern, but there isn't.
Why is he there?
Darum, that is our question. Why is he here? Our judicial system is working. We have the Supreme Court. Why do we need the ICC?
Oh, yeah.
That's why we are calling for the Dutch people, all of other countries, that we are a sovereign state. We are a nation. We are independent. And the ICC should be only the court of last resort. It should only function if your judicial system is no longer working, if you are at war, and many other things.
Yeah.
So a lot of people perceive that what's happening to him, if not political, is clearly something very dangerous as a president.
Okay.
So
you're living in this country?
Yeah. I'm a student here. No, most of them are not here. He's from the UK. They are from Belgium. Yeah. Most people, Filipinos who come here, are actually from different places. But one thing is in common between us is that we're here to show our love and support for him. Because I think what you read in the social media or in the news or whatnot is all about that if you are involved in drugs in the Philippines, you're gonna die or you will die or whatnot. He might make those statements.
Yeah.
But those statements are aimed at ensuring that people are afraid.
I think the statement is correct if you
Yeah.
are indeed in drugs.
It's the same with Lee Kuan Yew.
Yeah.
Lee Kuan Yew is the same.
Of course.
Yeah,
Okay.
but here in the Netherlands is anders, though, because here it's treated like some sort of recreation. People know how to use it.
In Holland it is awful.
Yeah.
It's awful.
Look,
In
yeah.
Western countries it's awful and will create us down.
Yeah. Maar dank je wel voor de vraag.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Verder, meneer.
All the best. Okay.
Yeah, all the best.
Bye.